Hello, this is Randy Orwin from the Information School at the University of Washington with another FeedbackFruits tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a rubric. So you might print it out as a PDF, send it to your students so they have the rubrics before they actually do the FeedbackFruits activity, just in case you want to do something like that. So you can see I'm already in a FeedbackFruits activity. I've actually popped this out of FeedbackFruits into a separate tab, but I'm actually going to put this in full screen so it's easier to see. So you can see I'm in a FeedbackFruits activity. I need to edit this activity, so I go edit, and then I'm going to scroll down to section 3. So you see the sections numbered out here. Section 3 is where we're going to actually look at our criteria from our rubrics, and you can see I have 2 sections in my criteria. Open that up, and you can see I have one section here that is just text-based comments, and then I have one where I've actually created a rubric. But I want to see if this is the right one, so I'm going to say edit this section, pops it open into full screen because I'm already in full screen, and you can see this is a big rubric. There is no way to print it from this screen and make it look nice. You get all sorts of gobbledygook because it doesn't actually let you print the frame that this is in. So let's go back. So I'm going to click done. I'm going to go back into this rubric where I can just see a section here. I'm not going to click on the edit button this time. I'm going to click on the 3 dots and I'm going to say export rubric. That's going to pop up and it's going to say I want to save this as an Excel file. I've already done this, so I'm just going to close that out. And then I'll open up that Excel file. So here's the Excel file with the rubric. I've already done a bit of massage on this to get it so the columns look good, but you could go in and make all the headers bolded. So I'll click up here and Control B on these 2 things here so that it actually looks a bit better, and then you could print it to a PDF. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks.